I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Let me ask you this question before I try to answer it. Why do so many foreigners from the US, Europe, Australia, even Africa continue to marry single Filipino moms? With so many choices in the Philippines, young women, college girls, never married. One would think single moms would be overlooked. But the opposite is true. Foreigners continue to pursue them, commit to them, and marry them. Today, I will break down the real reasons. Reasons many foreigners will never openly admit. Why they marry single Filipino moms, but live out in reality. Single Filipino moms are usually a few steps ahead of their single counterparts. They have already dealt with responsibility, raising a child, managing household issues, navigating life without a partner. That maturity appeals to foreigners, especially retirees or men tired of dating games. A single Filipina mom isn't asking what she wants in life. She already knows stability, love, and security. That clarity makes her attractive. In the West, many relationships struggle because family values are fading. But in the Philippines, family is everything. A single Filipina mom already embodies this. She doesn't have to pretend. She values family. She lives it daily. And foreigners often crave that family centered lifestyle. They don't just marry the Filipina, they marry into her values, even if her child isn't biologically theirs. Foreigners often find fulfillment stepping into that role of provider, protector, and father figure. Let's be honest, many Filipina single moms have been through heartbreak or abandonment. When a foreigner enters her life and gives her stability, she shows gratitude in ways most men never experience back home. That loyalty is powerful. While younger Filipinas may still explore options, a single mom often values what she has deeply because she knows how hard it is to start from scratch again. Foreigners often say single Filipina moms are more straightforward. They don't play endless jealousy games or waste time with drama. They have priorities. If she has a child to feed, she doesn't have time to argue about social media likes or flirty comments. Foreigners appreciate this directness. It feels refreshing after chaotic dating back home. Acceptance of age gap relationships is another reason single Filipino moms tend to be more accepting of older foreigners because they are not chasing the fantasy of a young, free spirited romance. They want stability, and foreigners, especially older ones, fit that role. Many Filipino moms won't mind if the man is 15, 20, or even 25 years older, as long as he treats her and her child with respect. That alignment makes marriages last. Some foreigners fear marrying a woman with a child, but in the Philippines, it's different. Kids often create a stronger bond. Many foreigners find joy in becoming stepdads. They gain an instant family, something they may have missed out on in the West. Instead of seeing the child as baggage, they see it as purpose. So why do foreigners continue to marry single Filipino moms? Because what they offer maturity, loyalty, family values, and acceptance goes far beyond looks or age. In many ways, these women are more prepared for real marriage than anyone else. Foreigners don't just find a wife, they find a family, stability, and meaning. That's why it keeps happening and it's not stopping anytime soon. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.